In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Aliexpress app on Android. We're going to use the safest and easiest method, which is through the Google Play Store. This makes sure you're getting the official app with proper security checks and automatic updates so you can shop with confidence. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone. It's the app with a multicolored triangle icon. Once you're in, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type Aliexpress and then look through the results for the official app published by Alibaba Mobile. Checking the publisher name is important because it helps you avoid lookalike apps. You should also notice that the official app is free and has over 500 million downloads, which is a helpful sign that you found the right one. When you're on the correct app page, tap Install. The download will begin right away. Depending on your connection, it might take a moment. You'll see a progress bar as your phone downloads and prepares the app. When it's done, tap Open to launch it immediately. You'll also find the app added to your home screen or app drawer for quick access in the future. Inside the AliExpress app, you can browse products, track your orders, and pay securely, all in one place. The app is designed to make shopping smoother than using a mobile browser, with tools like wish lists, shipping updates, and localized deals tailored for your region. A few quick tips before you get started. Always install from Google Play for safety. It reduces the risk of tampered or outdated versions. Before you hit install, glance at the star rating and read a few recent reviews to see how the latest update is performing on devices similar to yours. It's also smart to check the permissions section on the app's page so you know what the app can access on your device. If you ever prefer not to install anything, you can still shop through your mobile browser by visiting the AliExpress website. It's a convenient fallback when storage is tight or you're on a temporary device. That's all you need to download the AliExpress app on Android quickly and safely. If this walkthrough helped, go ahead and open the app you just installed and explore the features that make mobile shopping easy. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.